Hi, thank you for your interest in our Ferrari Roma. Let me show you around the car. So this is a 2021 registered Ferrari Roma. It's finished in Nero, Daytona. It's a one private owner car this. It's in fantastic condition, all original paintwork. The Nero Daytona is a lovely black metallic, really nice fleck to it. You look down the sides, you can see it's all true, no dings, dents, scratches or scuffs. Ferraris all come with the ceramic brakes. This also has the factory option of the windshields. Show you inside the boot. Underneath here you've got the original Ferrari toolkit, Ferrari screwdriver, and your spare fuses. You also have the option here to fold the rear seats down for that extra space. And this is the factory spec list, which we will publish a photo of online so you can see them in detail. It is a very well specified car. It's got all the important options, including the MagneRide suspension, the ADAS package. It's also got the JBL Hi-Fi system and the passenger display. Show you around the inside. It's got the creme leather. So we've got the two-tone creme leather with a black top dash and the red inserts. Memory seats. JBL Hi-Fi system. It's also got the carbon steering wheel with the LED lights. These seats have also got another added extra, which is the Alcantara inserts on the bases. The Roma does come with two seats in the rear. Come around the other side. All in the condition you'd want it to be. Let me start the car up. Car's done 7,110 miles. They come with the sat nav and, as previously mentioned, the passenger display. with all our cars, this car is fully prepared and ready to drive away. You can have this delivered to your home, you can buy it remotely. We offer finance from 8.9% APR, and we also include, we can offer HP, lease purchase and PCP. We will publish the full specification on our website. Please get in touch if you want to arrange to come and have a look at the car. We welcome part exchange too, and we're also open to any inspection at Ferrari or by an independent. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video.